on.
Okay.
Hey baby, it's your birthday.
Hey there, Mom. It's your boy's birthday.
I guess Dobby's gonna go sit
I
up
want to
there.
rock and roll, but my grandma's giving away for boy's day, I guess.
Yeah. Taking it easy.
Going to Tune Up Cafe for my birthday.
I'm just gonna hold this.
You guys are getting to go with us at least right now.
There's a lot of
I went
stuff
to
in this
Starbucks and got a free latte for my birthday.
My baby bought me a tea for her birthday.
Yeah. I think when we get to Tune Up, what I'm going to have is the same stuff I get on every time. Either a Sienna or an enchilada.
I don't know what I'm gonna get.
They have great food. Let's do a shout out to Tom,
Okay.
who loves Tune Up.
Yo, Tom.
Yo, Tom Thompson of Salt Lake City,
Utah. What's up?
when he came and visited us. Took us out to eat at Tune Up Cafe, and he loved it.
Yeah.
That was his favorite place he took us
It's
to.
pretty special.
So come back.
Special. Yeah.
Point it up for a second.
Shawty gon' give me a lo 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 lo. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow.
Everywhere we go, people stare at us.
They join up there.
They're all in different states of shock and awe
Yeah.
when they see us.
Takes them a minute to read the side of the car.
So they do like a, not a double take, but a triple take, because it's like a, what?
Yeah.
And there's almost, with some folks, there's like almost a little bit of panic, I think.
Yeah.
That
Like trying to get it read. before we drive off.
what's happening? What's happening?
Yeah. Don't want to miss it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go this way. I
All
hope
right.
This is the right way.
It's summertime. Summertime in Santa Fe.
Summertime, my papa. Summertime gets me the tune up in the shade. Getting me the tune up in the shade. Grandma, you're going to have to go to Eddie and get this air conditioner working. Oh, we'll just make it rain, right? Even better, right, Papa? We'll make it rain. Where am I? Where is
This
Yes.
looks like,
this?
say,
St.
it looked like St. Francis. It is St. Francis.
Okay. Hang on to it because it doesn't have a...
Alright, I got it.
Well, you had faith. You was going the right way. And you all right, Papa.
Oh, most definitely.
You'll get there eventually.
Yep. At just the right time.
Well, this part of town, that part of town is a little windy and strange. A little windy and strange. Well, we got a coiner marketed, the market coined on us for the spring. That's the choice. Okay, I'm gonna try to go this way. Never been down this road, I don't think.
This is it's a cute little place.
Yeah, this is
Cute. I don't think I've seen. Have I seen that before?
I don't know. I don't know if
I
I've
don't
seen
think
it.
so. And you know what? I'm wearing these. I tell you what, everything looks a little different with these glasses on.
Everything looks different with glasses on.
Yeah, these ones. I mean, sure, all glasses, but I mean these ones. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are they rose-colored glasses?
Well, I wouldn't say rose-colored, but they're just definitely like they're like if you fiddle with that. Maybe is it the contrast or the contour knob or the brightness or maybe all three, including the sharpness, which makes 4 on your old-fashioned television set.
Oh yeah.
That's what happens when you put these glasses on, man.
Okay,
It's
you
like,
get
whoa.
One fiddled while the old boy white puck.
Yeah. And then it all starts to spin. Whoa.
Everything's spinning. That's my choice.
But it's spinning in every direction
Here it
at
is.
once.
You can show them too.
Which,
Tune-up sign.
hey, there's tune-up. Cool. What a neat place.
We're gonna have to park way down
You
here.
can tell it's really neat.
Yeah, it is. It's
This is
cool.
a
They
little,
have-
it's just a little pocket
I
of
wanna turn around
festivity and
see if there's
delight.
a better parking spot. Instead of parking in front of somebody's house. They're used to it.
That's a neat house. That's a neat house. That's a neat house, and it's in a neat state of disrepair. I like it. Yeah. Well. Yeah. Wow.
Disrepair or repair? It's cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. That's perfect. Just how it is. Is all I'm saying. Yeah. You know what I like? I like. I don't know. It seems like people are starting to do it now, and if they do it too much, it'll stop being cool. But people that just paint their car with primer, usually when they do that,
That's always been cool.
yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
That was like my car in
Oh yeah.
high school. It was
Yeah.
just primer, except for the parts that just weren't really painted at all. But
Not even
yeah.
I can show them too.
Okay,
While I look
I'm trying not
for
to.
parking place. They must be busy.
Ooh, yeah, it looks real busy actually.
Well, let's see here.
Hey, happy birthday, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, is it still going? Yeah, it's still going.
We just gotta be careful getting out. I might need you to direct the traffic on the way out. 'Cause a pole back there.
All right, shall we shut these guys down?
Yeah.
And, okay, we're gonna
Hey,
shut you
everybody,
down.
happy birthday
and then
to
we'll
my
probably
grandma. I'll see you
smuggle
later.
you in. We're smuggling you in via. Well, we'll probably smuggle you in via the phone.
The phone.
Which what's the phone name?
Marlon.
Is it
Marlon Brando.
The phone?
Yeah, that's Richard Brandt, but not Richard Brandt, not Bridges, not Richard Branson,
Burton.
but Richard Burton.
And the phone is
Marlon
Brando.
Marlon
Okay,
Brando.
well,
The best, besides Richard Burton and
yeah. Well, yeah.
even Bridges,
They're
Richard
all-
Branson.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
We
there you go.
love
That's
you,
that's a
Richard
lot of
Branson. Let's do a
names that
shout
are all
out to
really,
Richard
really
Branson.
similar. Let's just
Let's
not
do a
try to
shout
do
out to
one to all
Bridges.
three at once because that would get tongue twisty, man.
Yeah.
Bridges?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo,
Richard
Bridges,
Branson.
AKA
Bridges.
Richard Branson.
Bridges,
We
Bridges.
call him Bridges because he's our buddy.
Yeah, because his buddies call him Bridges.
Yeah. Yeah, and at least these buddies do. And I'll tell you what, we also love old Smokey. Let's do a shout out to Smokey. We haven't done these
That's
for a while.
true. Yeah,
Yo,
what's up, Smokey?
On
How you
top
doing,
of
man?
Ted Turner.
Yeah.
That was what
All covered with.
what his
would it
wife
be?
used to sing.
Okay.
What was her?
Oh, that was Jane Fonda.
Jane Fonda, of course, yeah.
Yeah, Barbarella. Yeah.
Yeah, she used to sing on top of Old Smokey
yeah.
because his nickname is Smokey. She didn't know it then, but now she
Right.
does. But she used to sing a similar song.
Yeah.
You know.
See.
Well,
The
let's
arc-
get out of here. It's
the
pouring.
arc expanded, and it
Yes,
it expands and
We've
it
had
just it
Jane
takes
on our
everybody
show
in.
before.
It does.
We've had Jane on our
Yeah,
show.
yeah,
Easy.
Yeah.
Because
So,
she lives here in Santa Fe.
You cannot
part time
escape.
at least. She's got connections here in Santa Fe. So,
Blob, that's what it is. It's a big
and
blob.
Ted and Britches have, I mean,
That's
not
like-
Ted, but Smokey and Britches have connections in TRC.
That's what's happening. Okay.
So, did we do the shout out?
I think we did.
Okay,
I don't
let's
know.
say we did.
Okay, so
Okay.
we'll see you guys inside.
Bye, everybody. Happy birthday,
All right.
Grandma.
Happy birthday, sweet baby.
Yeah.